Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn alphabets and numbers. Kids colors name: red color, blue color, yellow color, black color, green color, white color. Kids now coloring ABC and 1 to 3. Kids first draw A. A for apple, A for aeroplane, and use red color. Kids again use red color and draw B. B for ball, B for bat. The alphabets of B. C. C for cat, C for car. D. D for dog, D for doll. Kids neither E. E for egg, E for elephant. Kids neither F. F for fish, F for fan, and use blue color. G. G for goat, G for grapes. H. H for hand, H for helicopter. I for ice, I for ice cream. Kids neither J. J for joker, J for jackfruit, and use yellow color. K. K for kite, K for king. L. L for lion, L for lemon. Kids again use yellow color and draw M. M for moon, M for mango. N. N for nose, N for nest. Kids neither O. O for orange, O for octopus, and use black color. P. P for parrot, P for penguin. Q. Q for queen, Q for a quail. Kids neither R. R for rose, R for rice, and use green color. The alphabets of R. S. S for sun, S for snake. T. T for teacher, T for tiger. Kids again use green color and draw U. U for umbrella, U for uncle. V. V for van, V for vanilla. Kids again use green color and draw W. W for watch, W for wallet. Kids neither X. X for X-ray, X for Xmas tree, and use white color. Kids again use white color and draw Y. Y for yak, Y for yo-yo. Kids neither Z. Z for zebra, Z for zoo. Kids neither numbers, and first read the 1, the numbers of 1, and use red color, red color. O N E 1, 2, T W O 2, 3, T H R W 3, 4, F O U R 4, 5, F I V E 5. Kids 9 to 6. The numbers of 6. And here is blue color, blue color. 7, S E V E N 7, 8, E I G H T 8, 9, N I N in 9, 10, T E and 10. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.